It never occurred to me that play sand can be toxic. I thought I had chosen a really great, safe option and ordered it for our sandbox, only to realize that it wasn't as advertised. So we ordered 2 more to compare. All 3 are labeled as non-toxic, dust-free, and contain no free silica. The first sand from Supply Solutions was extremely dusty. Pouring it out of the bags left a coating on my throat, and my kids were filthy after playing in it. The sand is coarse, and there were small stones and shells in it. It gathers and molds pretty well while wet, but the coarseness makes it rather uncomfortable sticking to your hands. Our main issue with this sand, though, was that it was so different from what was advertised. Unfortunately, we had already ordered 26 bags of it, so for now, we'll use it until we have something else. Baja Play Sand really was dust-free during our pour test. The grain is a little coarse, but very uniform. After playing in it, there's a little bit of a chalky residue, but getting the sand wet takes care of it. It takes to a mold pretty well when wet, too. Overall, no complaints for this one. Sandtastic is a very soft, fine sand, so there was some drift when pouring it out of the bag, but it didn't appear to be from any dust. Out of the 3, it molds and holds its shape the best. Despite sticking to your hands when wet, it does come off easily and it doesn't irritate since it's such a fine grain. But let's see what the most important product tester has to say. Okay, so you can touch all of the sand and let me know which one you like the most.
We love this one.
You love that one. All right, you want to try another one?
Not that one.
Not that one? What about this one?
That one. Not that one either. We only like that one.
I love it, Arlo. All right, well, you heard it, people. He likes this one. We like this one. So, Sandtastic it is. Can you give a high five or a wave? Oh. Okay. Thanks, Arlo. If we had ordered either Baja Play Sand or Sandtastic to begin with, I would have been really happy. But I have to agree with Arlo that Sandtastic feels the nicest. Due to the cost difference, we probably won't fill the sandboxes full when we reorder, but I think it'll still be really fun. I hope this was helpful. See ya!
What's that?
This is a microphone. It helps record our voice. Oh. Oh.